Hi, welcome to Other's Legacy Farm. Today we're going to do a video on canning chicken. Sunday we butchered 15 chickens. Well, I didn't, I'm a coward. But George, Sonny, Claire, and Eric, they did the butchering. We chilled the chickens overnight, and yesterday I cooked them, and then we picked them off the bones. I started bone broth with them. We've got 2 roasters and a big old stock pot that bone broth is cooking in. So I'm going to be taking all in my jars. Packing pretty tight. We pack them to leave an 1-inch headspace. And an easy way to tell that is this first thread on the jar is 1 inch. This is a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch. So I packed that pretty tight. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt to it. And I use my debubbler, make sure I get all the bubbles out. I've got a little bowl here with some vinegar in it. I'll wipe the rim. And I'll put that in the can. Okay, I'll do these and then we'll come back. I'll get a double layer. I'll hold 15 jars. Put my canner lid on the top. Sure it's sort of even all the way around. Next thing we'll do is we'll vent it for 10 minutes. And then after that, we'll put a 10-pound gauge on. And we'll, once it reaches 10 pounds, then we time it. The pints at 75 minutes. The quarts at 90 minutes.
Now to vent it, it doesn't sputter. It's a constant stream of steam.
Stream.
Which is this right here. After 10 minutes, she'll put the weight on it at 10 pounds.